Hi Draw So Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Jennie from Blackpink's ice cream video. So let's get started. To draw Jennie, let's first start by drawing a bottom of a U for her face. So I'm going to come right here and just start. Slight curve. I'm going to come right across about right here. And do the same thing and connect it at the bottom. There. So let's come back up to where we started right here on the edge, and I'm going to draw a circle for her eyes. And same thing on the other side, about right here. Okay, so then now let's come back in here and make them Draw So Cute eyes. So I'm going to come in here with two small circles for highlights and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And lines at the bottom, and same thing over here. So thank you for all your love for these Blackpink member drawings I've done for ice cream. I've done Selena, I've done Rose, and so here's Jennie, and of course I have Lisa and Jisoo still left. So if you want me to draw them as well, definitely let me know in the comments below. Okay, so then from there, let's give Jennie here a nice thick lash. I'm going to come out, curve, and just bring it in nice and thick. And you know what, let's spruce it up a little bit. I'm just going to give her another lash right here. So same thing over here. First thick one, kind of like her eyeliner. And then a curve right above it. Okay, so then let's give her sweet smile. So about right here, I'm just going to go ahead, curve it up slightly and cap it off. Now we can go ahead and draw her ears. So come to where her eyes are, and about in this area, I'm going to go ahead and draw a soft, small little curve for her ear. And draw the inside for details. And same thing here. So about where her eyes are, curve, and the inside. Then let's, from there, let's start to draw her bangs. So I'm going to bring this up a tiny bit more. From there, I'm going to start to zigzag back and forth for her bangs. So let's start right here. I'm going to go up, and they're pretty prominent bangs. So let's just go up here, and I'm just going to start zigzag back and forth. Sometimes maybe a smaller strand. Let's see here. And then maybe once you come to the center, just kind of change directions a little bit. And let's break it up here. So about right here, I'm going to break it up and give it two zigzags instead. And bring it up. And one going this way now, and then one more to not make it too complicated. So something like that. Okay, so then from there, let's not forget her brow. So wherever space you have left, let's just going to draw this soft line. If you want to go true anime, you can always put the brow on top of the eyes. So say about right there. And just gonna pop that in there. Okay, so then from there we can go ahead and say, come about right here where her ears are. We're just gonna angle out a curve. We're gonna start to draw her head, top of her hair. So her hair does kind of part in the center, so let's say about right here. Give myself a point, and from here I'm gonna go up and start to bring it down. So I'm just gonna give a slight angle and connect. Same thing over here, slight angle and connect. Okay, so then for some details, let's come right here. You can do this when you're coloring if you don't want it so harsh, but I wanted to show you. Right here you can draw a little line because she does have bangs. So about right here, I'm going to just softly give it some lines right here just to indicate that there's a different layer. And yes, it's always tougher with a Sharpie because it's so harsh, but just something like that so you can see the difference between where the bangs are and the back of her hair. Okay, so then from there, let's draw her body first before we draw her pigtails. So let's come right here in the center, and I'm going to give her a small little neck. And I'm going to come down for her shoulders. And same thing here. Okay, so then from there, we're going to imagine where her armpits would be. So say about right here, give myself 2 points. And I'm just going to draw a slight angle line. From there, let's come to the center. So her armpits are about right here. In this area, I'm going to go ahead and draw a flower right in the center. So just a very simple flower with curves all around it. And so this is the center where her top comes together. So about right, say about right here. Just gonna bring in this curve. And same thing here, her little top. And before I forget, I'm going to draw a little curve right here for her strap underneath. And so then about right here in the center, we can go ahead and part this little sweater thing that she's wearing. And bring this down about right here. I'm just going to go ahead and connect it with a curve. Same thing here. Okay, so then from there, let's continue her body. So I'll bring it in a little bit, right here and here. I brought it out too much, huh? Okay, so something like that, and then we're just going to go ahead and connect it right here with a curve for her shorts. And this come out. So we're just going to pop out a little bit. And about right here, let's come to the center, come pretty low, say about right here. I'm just going to go ahead and draw a slight angle line. And 2 angle lines that come out of that. And we're going to just finish off her shorts. I'm bringing this down, and about right here, I'm going to wiggle a line across. So same thing here. And then from there, we can go ahead and draw her legs. So coming out right here and here. And I'm just having her legs straight. Okay, so let's work on this leg first. Bringing down a line, and it's just going to get smaller, thinner as we come down. Nice long legs for Jenny here. See about right there. I'm gonna stop and just give her a pair of socks. And cut it off. And then right here, I'm just going to give her a pair of sneakers. I couldn't see from the video what shoe she was wearing, so I just decided to give her a pair of sneakers. Nice and simple. So a curve right here, and then the two sides. And then the laces. Okay, so same exact thing on the other side. Okay, so then from there, same thing. It's always much easier after you have one side done, because then you can just use that side as a reference. There. Okay, finally done with her legs. So then now let's draw her sleeves. So I'm going to bring this down, just nice and simple to her side. And her arms are going to be about this area. So I'm just going to keep bringing this down. Kind of baggy sleeve, so about right here, just go ahead and cut it off. And then her hands. So just a thumb and fingers. So same thing on this side. So about right here. And connect. And once again, thumb and fingers. There. Okay, so then let's draw her hair finally. We're going to come right here, bring out a curve, nice long strand, give it a little curl. And about right here, I'm just going to come out with a little curl and tuck it in. And about right here, draw another curve. And I almost forgot, I need to draw that little bow right here in the back. That's just a little indication of the bow coming out. Okay, so same thing over here. Right here. And the bow. There. And so then now for the details for her outfit. So right here, there's going to be the rainbow colors, and I'm just going to go ahead and follow my top curve. I think there's 5 colors, right? 1, 2, 3. I hope I'm right. I forgot. 5. Okay. The stripes, and then her top has all these flowers. So I'm just going to come in here and decorate it. So here and there, just mix it up. here. So that's pretty much it for her top. So you can come in here if you like and just draw some lines for some details. And that is pretty much it, except, you know what, I have to stick a heart in here somewhere, right? Let's put it, where should we put a heart? Let's give, you know what, let's give Jenny a little heart tattoo right here. Why not? I'm pretty sure she won't mind. There. So hopefully you love my Jenny just as much as my Selena and Rose that I've drawn from BlackPink's ice cream video already. Please check that out and just Google Draw So Cute BlackPink playlist. Thanks so much for watching. I hope I made this fun and easy for you to follow along with me. And remember to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.